Hello everyone, welcome back to HTML Mastery Course 2026. Today we are learning something very useful in HTML, links and navigation. Links help user move from one page to another page, website, file or even open an email directly. And today listen, we will learn anchor tag used to create links in HTML. Internal links connect pages inside your website. External link open other websites. Email link open email directly. Download link allow user to download files. So links are one of the most important parts of every website because they help user navigate easily. So get ready and let's start learning day 4 with a simple example. So let's begin. Now let's learn our first topic, anchor tag. The anchor tag is used to create links in HTML. It helps user move from one page to another page or open another website. Now let's understand how the anchor tag works with a simple example. Here the a tag, then href attributes, then the value of href attributes, and here is the clickable link, that is a visit Google, and here is the closing tag. So let's break it step by step. A tag, that is the start the anchor tag, and href attributes, it's tell the browser where to go, and visit Google, this is the clickable text user see, and the /a tag, that's close the anchor tag. So how it's work? Imagine you are on a website and you see the text visit Google. So when you move your mouse over it, the text become a clickable link. So once you click on it, the browser read the href value and open the Google website. So think of it like this. Anchor tag is a door, href address of the place, and clicking the link open the door and go there. So without href, the browser does not know where to send the user. So that's why the href attributes is very important. Now let's learn our second topic, internal links. Internal links are used to move from one section to another section within the same web page. So they help user navigate quickly without scrolling through the whole page. For example, on a website, you may have a section like about us, services and contact. So instead of scrolling down manually, user can simply click a link and jump directly to that section. Let's get an example. And this example, I have a heading 1, then 3 internal link, and then 3 section. One is the about, services and contact. So let's understand how it's works. href create a link to the about section, and id about, that is the name of this section. It's give the section a unique name. So when a user click about us, the browser find the matching id and automatically jump to that section. So think of it like a shortcut button instead a page. So this is very useful for long website, portfolios, documentation pages and business website. So let's move to the next topic. Now let's learn about external link in HTML. External link are used when you want users to visit another website outside your own website. To create an external link, we use the a tag and provide the website URL inside the href attributes. So in this example, we have links to Google, W3 School and MDN Web Doc. So notice this is the target attributes and that is the value. So this open the website in a new browser tab. The real no opener, no refer attributes provide additional security when opening external website. So external link are very useful for connecting user to resources, documentation and references website. Now let's learn about email link. Email link allow user to quickly send an email by clicking a link. To create an email link, we use the mailto protocol inside the href attributes. When user click the link, their default email application opens automatically. So we can also add a predefined subject line and message body to make communication easier. So email link are commonly used on a contact pages, support pages and business websites. Now let's learn about download links. Download links allow user to download files directly from your website. To create a download link, we use the a tag along with the download attributes. So download links are commonly used for PDF, documents, presentation, software files and other resources. This feature improves your experience by making a potent file easily accessible. Great job! We have complete HTML links and learn how different types of links help user navigate websites. So now let's move to day 5, images and multimedia basics.